Our next topic is the minors and cofactors of the determinant. So let us see the definition one by one. Let us first define what do mean by minor of the element aij of a determinant. Now minor of an element aij of any determinant is the determinant, mark my words, is a determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column. That means in whichever row or column, means you are supposed to find the minor of that element, so you are supposed to delete, right, the ith row and jth column, and whatever is remaining you are supposed to find its determinant. So I have given two examples. One is of 2 by 2 square matrix, determinant. Other one is 3 by 3, right? So I have written here, and here the minor is designated or denoted by the capital letter M. So this is a very again predominant question in the board examination, which is asked for generally 1 or 2 marks to find the minor and cofactors of the given determinant. So here we are only talking about minor as of now. So as per the definition, see I have written what is your 2. Its position is A11, first row, first element. 3, so it is A12, first row and column 2. What is the position of 4? It is the second row, first column, means A21. What is the position of minus 5? It is the second row and the second column. Now if you are asked to find the minor M11, I told you minor is designated or denoted by the capital letter 1. So if you need to find M11, that means you have to hide 2. Wherever this 2 is present, hide that row and column. What are you left with? Minus 5. So my M11 will be minus 5. Now similarly, if I want to find M12, right? So where is this 3 positioned? This 3 is positioned here. So you hide that row and that column where the 3 is positioned. So you have hidden that row and that column. So what are you left with? 4. So that is the minor of the element A12. Let us look at the minor of the element 21. So 4. So where is 4 position? It is positioned in the second row and the first column. So you hide 4, that row and that column. So what are you left with? 3. So M21 will be 3. Similarly, the last one you are supposed to find M22. That means the minor for the element minus 5. So minus 5 is present in the second row and second column. So hide that. What are you left with? 2. Okay. So the minor of the element 2 is minus 5. The minor of the element 3 is 4. The minor of the element 4 is 3. And the minor of the element minus 5 is 2. So this is very simple when it comes to 2 by 2. When it comes to 3 by 3, so you can see I need to find here M11, right? M11. That is, I have to find the minor for the element 4. So you need to take the determinant of the remaining. So what are you supposed to do? 4. So you hide. It is as good as finding the determinant only. So 4 is present here in the first one, first column. Hide that first one, first column. What are you left with? 3 to 1 minus 2. So you are supposed to take the determinant of the remaining. So 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus 2 ones are 2. So the answer is minus 8. Let us talk about 8. You are supposed to find the minor for the element 8, first row, and it is present in the second column. So hide 8. You have to hide the second column and the first row. So 5 into minus 2, that means I am trying to find my M12, right? So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, minus 6 2s are 12. So minus 10 minus 12 is going to give me minus 22, right? Now let us find your minor for the element A13. A13 is nothing but 7, first row, third column. So you hide 7 in the first and the third column, you are supposed to take the determinant of the remaining. 5 ones are 5. That means I am trying to find M13. So 5 ones are 5 minus 6 threes are 18. So 18 minus 5 is minus 13. Okay. Similarly, you have to find M21. Here this 5. So hide this 5, right? Like this and like this. You are supposed to hide this one wherever 5 is positioned. So you have to multiply this. 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. Minus 7 ones are 7. So minus 16 minus 7. Minus 23. Okay. Similarly, you are supposed to find A22. That is the minor for the element 3. So this way you can find the remaining minors. So 3, so you have to delete that column and this thing. So 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. 7 into 6 is minus 42. So that gives you minus 50. Similarly, if I am supposed to find the minor for 2, so I have to hide this and this. So 5 minus 18. So M23 will be 5 minus 18. So it will be minus 13. Similarly, I need to find for 6 M31. So hide the 6. So you are left with 3 into 2, like this you are supposed to find. Okay. So rest of the minor you can similarly you can find it on your own, and this way we find the minor of the element.